Hello, my name is Christopher Labe. I'm a student in fourth course in Alfred Nobel University of Geoprofessionals. So I'm doing this video to show how we execute our instruction from the coursework we got from our lecturers. So what we are going to do now is to go through the coursework we have made the topic of technology design administration database and data warehousing. So what we are going to do is to go through the coursework and to take on just no to just take the code, the instruction, SQL instruction we made, and then pass them into the tool we're using, which is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So we make the introduction. Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database, okay, and so forth. So we have the second part of the first one, which is definition of what is Microsoft SQL Management Studio, the Genesis, and the different version of this power tool. Okay, apart from the first part, okay, and where then we come to the what is SQL, structured query language, and this language is used to take to no no to implement information, to record information, and to analyze information from our database. So we concerning to SQL Server, we made some definition. We gave some syntax of how to use this language. And then we come now to the first part, which is request and output, the main part of our coursework. So we have a database here that have been created, a relation about some entities. So if you look, you can see purchase, books, authors, deliveries, and publishing house. So a relation was made about those entities, and we are going to implement this relation between entities in to a database. Okay, so here is a description of how our database is going to be. So you can see purchase, the code purchase, the type, the date, cost, amount, and so forth. I can see the book to the author, the deliveries, and the publishing house. Okay, what we do first is to create our database. This should be manually, so we are going to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and as you can see, there is any database created yet. So we are going to create a new database by doing new database, and our database is going to be named DB Books, database books. Okay, so database books. Let me say okay. So as you can see, the the result we should get the same result. You can see here in the toolbar we select the new query for creating our database. Okay, so we create our database. So if you can see now the database book. If you go through the database book, if you look into the table, you will see nothing because we are not yet created any table. Okay, and what we are going to do now is to create our table that we talk about here: books, author, deliveries, and publishing house. So for creating our database, our tables, we shall copy and paste this block of instruction. So we say copy, we shall copy those instructions, copy and pass them. Okay, but where to pass them? If I click directly as here, new query, we're going to have problem because we can have many database while using this tool. What to do is to go on the database we want a new query from. So we go to the database and we say new query. We say new query, and we can delete this one. Okay, and we are going to create some new tables. So we say debug first to see if there's no problem about the code. As you can see, there's no any problem with the code, so now we can execute the code. So the commands completed successfully. So it takes 6 seconds of the execution of the code. So if we come here on the table, we can now see okay table. I think I have to actualize this first. Okay, okay, and now after actualizing this table, this part, I can see now all our tables: author, books, deliveries, publishing house, and purchase. And those tables contain any information for now. Any information, as we can see here, we created our new tables. So now what we're going to do is to pass the information or to insert information into our tables. So we are going to start with the publishing house. So we copy those instructions, copy, and as we did last time, we okay new query, pass it, debug first to see if there's no any problem with instruction. There's no any problem, so now we can execute it. So you can see here, you can observe that you see for each line we have the result of the row is affected. The row is affected, row is affected. So of course we can test if what we have in our we can test what we have in our table by doing select all from excuse me select all from and we execute, and though we execute the execute, so now you can see the information that were just added. So here you can see edit motion code, revelation production, one for edition house, key, PT, code and family, science, word, and map new. So you can all see this information here. So we are going to progress by putting information into the authors table. The author now let's do the same thing. We execute any problem and query executed successfully. So we are going to progress by adding here is information. Okay, so we execute all the rows affected. So we continue with the deliveries table. With the delivery table, we do the same thing. So execute row affected, no problem. We continue with the last, I think, with the last table, which is purchases, and pass it here, execute, all rows were affected. So here we go. Now we put into our tables information that can be now used to be analyzed or to be collected or to do whatever with them, as we now have information in our database. Now, I have to say that the numbers of the requests are listed are given in the lectures gate document where requests are taken from. Where requests are taken from. Refer to the number of the question in the lecturer's gate. So those those questions were taken from the lecturer's gate, and here are, yes, those are the question, and here is the SQL instruction to answer to this question. So they select all information about the books from the table and sort the result by the code book. So we select all from book ordered by code book. We are going to test this code. Okay, we say select all from code book from books ordered by code book. So here is the result that you can see. Selected all information in the books. Okay, so this is a reason of what we made. Select from the table books, book titles, and number of pages, and from the author's table to choose a name corresponding of the author. So here is the SQL instruction matching that. We execute, and we have the same result here. We have this result that give us the title of the book, here, the name of the author. Here we have the name of the author. Here we joined. What we did is that we joined the two tables together. We joined them and collected information from them. And the three is to choose the table author name and the surname of the author was values that we Ivanov. So let us check, execute code, and we got this. So we got two rows that name start with Ivanov Franklik and Ivanov Yanukovych, and so forth. So here you can see that we did here for the 4 questions, the 2 questions, for the 6 question, and let us execute only the two last one questions, and we're going to close with this demo. Okay, let us take this. Okay, the question is after the table books new record, and instead of key feed to put code automatically increase by 1 from the maximum code in the table instead of the name of the book. Okay, here is the code. It's made, execute, and we can see that the row was affected. And I'm sure if you check, select book, select all from books, and we execute only this line. Okay, we are going to have this. So here you should pay attention to this row, because like it was saying here, if you read this part of the, is that the first block of instruction in one allow us to add a new record in the database by incrementing of one the maximum of the code's book while others values of the created row are not yet set. And in the second block here, what we did is that uh, we updated the information that was added because at first I think, yes, I'm think the title of the book didn't change. So what we did is that we updated this information only about the title of the book. So we said update book where the title, yes, where the code was the maximum, and what to do now is to set the new value of the title as science applications and innovation. And let us take another one. Print a list of goods which were delivered supplier company from quantify. Quantify. So if it is this and execute, we are going to have this power flow, new generation of power flow. So made by the company Zao Banto. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that it's clear that our codes is working well. And thank you to our lecturers.